Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome again to my channel, Life of a Jamaican. Subscribe if you haven't done so as yet. So this footage here is from yesterday. I was driving up Hope Road there, and right here there was just a minor accident that I captured. So I just thought I would share it. And in a case like this, what do you think would happen? Who has to pay for the damage? Alright, so as soon as I arrive at the scene, which is just a couple of meters from here, you'll see what happened. Alright, it's coming up, and yeah, it involved a few taxi drivers. Taxi drivers here don't drive very carefully at times, especially in this season. Alright, so it starts right about here. Yes. Alright, so I slowed down the footage a little bit. So this taxi driver hit another taxi, which hit a car, which then hit another taxi. So 4 cars in total were involved in this accident. My guess here, and I think I'm right, but you can correct me if I'm wrong, the taxi driver at the back will have to pay for the damage for all the other 3 cars, right? I believe that's the way it goes. And he won't be having a happy new year at all. So, wow. Fortunately, I wasn't involved in that one, because, I mean, I just had my bumper sprayed. If you saw the previous video where I got a little ding on the bumper, it's completely gone now. The body mechanic by Chisholm Avenue did a great job. Bobo the mechanic, check him out. It's really good, very reasonable. Anyway, then I came here to I was going over by Sovereign, and there was almost another accident. This young lady was driving on the right side of the road, and there you go. And she was coming in pretty fast. I slowed down the video here a little bit, and well, she escaped, thankfully. And she was looking so confused, like, why a person's driving on the right side of the road, yeah? But she escaped, thankfully, because that would have been a nasty hit, man. You're not in America, young lady. This is Jamaica. We drive on the left side of the road. Alright? Alright, so that's it. Thankfully, I didn't have to go to the body mechanic again, and the young lady here escaped. For the other 4, wow, I hope they get their cars repaired pretty quickly. Alright, so that's all. Feel free to subscribe, like, comment, share. You know the drill.